This video is of an SV650 2003, and it's going to show how this MultiBot, this is a single chip mod for the gauge, works on this bike. Turn the ignition on. See the LCD self-test. Everything looks as stock. If you press this button twice, 1, 2, temperature changes to voltmeter, so it shows 12.2 volts right now. 1, 2 goes back to temperature gauge. The digit in front of the 3-digit temperature can be turned into a gear position indicator by pressing the adjust button 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and that shows neutral. You can click through the gears first, back to neutral, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 5, 4, 3, 2, back to neutral, and 1. You can move the gear position indicator from the front digit here up to the hundredths digit for the mile per hour by pressing 3 again, 1, 2, 3. You can see that you're in first gear, second, third, and now the fourth gear, fourth, fifth, and sixth gears show by just the bottom dash, middle dash, or the upper dash on the LCD, because the top left LCD segment on the stock gauge does not exist, so you can't make the 4, the 5, or the 6. So I'll show you the 4 is the bottom segment, 5th gear is the middle, 6 is the top. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, back to neutral. There's another mode which is SpeedoHealer mode, and to enter that you press the adjust button 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. Really, you don't enter SpeedoHealer, it's always on. What you can enter is the adjustment part. So right now we're set at -7 miles per hour, which adjusts for the error in the stock gauge. You can adjust that by pressing once. It goes to 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. If you wanted to shut it off, you could set it to 0, and that's no adjustment. You could even go positive if you want. That's +1 mile per hour. We want it at -7 to, you press 2 times, it goes down, so -1. We want it at -7 to correct the 7% over of the stock. So once you have that set, really it's a set and forget it, 1 time adjustment only, and then press 4 times to get out of that mode. 1, 2, 3, 4. While we're in here, we can show how to adjust the voltmeter. Let's go to voltmeter mode. Right now it's 144 degrees Fahrenheit engine temp. 1, 2 shows bike voltage is 12.0 volts. The MultiBot installs completely inside the gauge. There are no external wires except for one that goes down to the gear position indicator. So to measure voltage, the MultiBot voltmeter on that chip measures the voltage inside the gauge. That eliminates a wire, or having to run a wire from the gauge down to the battery just for voltage measurement. But it does introduce some error because there's voltage drop on the wire between the gauge and the battery. So to compensate for that, we go into mode 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this voltmeter is now set to 2.2 volts higher than what it's actually reading. That's to compensate for the voltage drop. And this is also adjustable just like the SpeedoHealer is adjustable. So if you press once, it goes up 2.4, 2.5. We want to go down 1, 2. 2.2 is correct for this bike. And then to exit this mode, this is another set it and forget it type of deal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 takes you out. So let's go for a ride and show how the gear position indicator works. bottom gear position indicator. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now it's down at the bottom. And that's the MultiBot. Hope you like it.